Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to AdMaths Form 4. Today is Chapter 1, Composite Function Part 1. If you like the video, share, like, and subscribe to my channel. So we're going to talk about why do we need to learn this first. And let's give you an engineering example over here. Well, if a ship hits some rock, okay, and creates a hole, that depends on the impact, how big is it, okay? The water will flow into the ship depending on how big is the hole. That is defined by one function. And as the water is flowing in, it creates a force that makes the hole even bigger. And that is defined by another function. So we have these two interrelated. Water flow in, and then afterwards the holes get bigger, and more water flow in again. There is a need for composite function now if we want to design something and make it safe for people to use in case of any accidents that happen similar to the ship. Okay, so let's cut it short and let's get into business. Composite function, as the name suggests, is comprised of two functions over here. We have f, we have g over here. Let's define it as f and g. So there's 2x minus 1 as fx, and gx is 5x plus 2. And the question is given over here, find the image of the function fg. So simply to say, it is basically find fgx. Now we have to break it down a little bit. Fgx basically means f in terms of gx. So the gx part has to get done first. We start from the back over here. And it's basically gx is basically 5x plus 2. So we have f in terms of 5x plus 2. Instead of the next step, we put in 2x minus 1 as your fx. We replace the x with 5x plus 2 because now it's in terms of 5x plus 2. Expand the bracket. And go. This is the answer. Okay, let's flip it around a little bit, gfx, okay? Gfx is basically g in terms of fx. And fx is 2x minus 1. Instead of writing 5x plus 2, the x, we replace it with 2x minus 1. And we have over here, like this. Expand the bracket as usual, and you will get to the answer. Cool, yeah? It's pretty simple over here. And most of the questions are like this, except for there is a little bit of complications here and there. You might have missed out a little bit of things, but generally AdMaths is easy. And we have the next one, g square x. What is g square x? Is it gx times gx? No. Okay, it's basically g in terms of gx. G in terms of 5x plus 2. Instead of putting it 5x plus 2, we replace the x with 5x plus 2 now. And here we go. Expand the bracket. And there is the answer. So this part is about finding the image from your object. Okay? If I have the object as, which is your x, as 3, then I replace it into the x at the final step. So let's say now it's 3, so it's x 10 times 3 plus 12. So it's 30x plus 12, okay? 30 plus 12, which is 42, the answer. The next video is the other way around. We will have the image. We will need to find the object. Be ready for a roller coaster. See you in the next video.